Hello students, welcome to Swapna Physics classes. In this class, I am going to give the importance questions list for your IPA examination. Short answers questions list for your IPA examination. That too for Telangana State Board Inter First Year Physics exam. From motion in a straight line, as per the blueprint, you have two 4 marks questions. That is 4 plus 4 marks. And the first question is, can the velocity of an object be in a direction other than the direction of the acceleration of the object? If so, give an example. This is your first important question from motion in a straight line chapter. And the second question is, a parachutist flying in an aeroplane jumps when it is at a height of 3 kilometers above the ground. He opens his parachute when he is about 1 kilometer above the ground. Describe his motion. And the third question is, a ball is dropped from the roof of a tall building and simultaneously another ball is thrown horizontally with some velocity from the same roof. Which ball lands first? Explain your answer. And the fourth one is, how is the average velocity different from the instantaneous velocity? And the fifth question is, a ball is dropped from a building and simultaneously another ball is projected upward with some velocity. Describe the change in relative velocities of the balls as a function of time. These are the 5 important questions from motion in a straight line chapter. From motion in a straight line, as per the blueprint, you are going to have 2 questions from these 5 questions for your IPA examination. And coming to the motion in a plane chapter, from this chapter also you are going to have 2 short answers questions. Okay, and the first important question from motion in a plane is, state the parallelogram law of vectors. Derive an expression for the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. And second question is, define unit vector, null vector and the position vector. And the third question from motion in a plane is, if mod A plus B equals mod A minus B, then prove that the angle between A and B is 90 degrees. Angle between A and B is 90 degrees. And the next question is, show that the trajectory of an object thrown at certain angle with horizontal is a parabola. And next one is, show that the maximum height and range of a projectile are v square sin square theta by 2g and v square sin 2 theta by g respectively, where the terms have their regular meaning. And the last question is, a force 2I plus j minus k Newton acts on a body which is initially at rest. At the end of the 2 seconds, the velocity of the body is 4I plus 2j minus 2k meters per second. What is the mass of the body? These are the 6 questions from motion in a plane. Out of these 6 questions, you are going to have 2 questions for your examination. And coming to the next chapter, laws of motion. From laws of motion, you are going to have 1 4 marks question. And these 5 are the important questions for laws of motion. Define the terms momentum, impulse. State and explain law of conservation of momentum. Give example. Why are shock absorbers used in motors, cycles and cars? Explain the terms limiting friction, dynamic friction and rolling friction. Explain advantages and disadvantages of friction and mention the methods to decrease the friction. And coming to the next chapter, system of particles and rotational motion, you are going to have 1 4 marks question. And the importance questions list from this chapter is this one. These are the important questions, 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 questions are very important questions from this chapter. And first question is, distinguish between center of mass and center of gravity. Explain about center of mass. Just a minute. Explain about center of mass of Earth Moon system and its rotation around the sun. Next one is define vector product, give its properties and two examples. Define vector product, give its properties and two examples. Define angular velocity, derive V equals to R omega. And one more question from system of particles and rotational motion is define the angular acceleration and torque, establish the relation between angular acceleration and torque. These 5 questions are very important questions for system of particles and rotational motion. Coming to the gravitation, what is orbital velocity? Obtain an expression for it. And what is escape velocity? Obtain an expression for it. What is geostationary satellite? State its uses. From gravitation, you have 2 short answer questions for your examination as per our blueprint. And if you prepare these 3 questions, you are going to have 2 questions from gravitation chapter only. Okay. And coming to mechanical properties of solids, you are going to have 1 short answer question, and these 2 questions are very important questions. Okay. Define Young's modulus, bulk modulus and shear modulus. Define the behavior of the wire under gradually increasing load. These 2 questions are very important questions from mechanical properties of solids. Out of these questions, you will definitely get 1 question in your IPA examination. And coming to the thermal properties of matter, we have 3 important questions, and you are going to get 1 question, 1 4 marks question for your IPA examination. And the questions are explain Celsius and Fahrenheit scales of temperature, obtain the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales of temperature. Pendulum clock gradually go fast in winter and slow in summer. Why? In what way is the anomalous behavior of water advantageous to aquatic animals? And coming to the thermodynamics, you are going to have 2 questions, 2 4 marks questions, and we have 5 important questions from this chapter. Out of these 5 questions, you will definitely get 2 questions in your IPA examination. And the first question is state and explain first law of thermodynamics, and the second one is obtain an expression for the work done by an ideal gas during isothermal process. The next one is what is the adiabatic process? Obtain an expression for the work done by an ideal gas during this process. Next one is compare isothermal and adiabatic process, and finally we have write a short note on quasi-static process. These are the important questions list for 4 marks in your IPA examination, physics examination. And you just take the screenshot or copy in your notebook and prepare well for your examination. And I will explain one question after the question in our further lectures. Okay, bye.